So last week I made a video where I did experiments to prove that the earth is not flat. And in the comments I asked if you guys wanted a part 2 and one guy said yes. So this is a part 2 of destroying flat earthers by doing simple science experiments that a 5-year-old could do. So the first thing that would immediately disprove that the earth is flat is time zones. Now, time zones are really easy to check. Just go on to the clock app on your iPhone or Samsung or anything. Just go on there on your phone, see what the time is in different places. And I know this is actually the time. But you might say, what if the earth is literally just flat and the sun just goes through like that? And then that won't also make sense. Because if the sun just went through like that, then how would it come back? If it went through in a circle, then the middle of the earth would not get sunlight. If the sun went through like this, when it goes back, it will be the opposite direction. So it has to make a full-on 360. And if it makes a 360, then the entire world will be in total darkness. So how would that work? Is this sun like a spotlight? Which also won't work. Because if the sun was just a spotlight just like raining down right here, then you could, if it just was a spotlight raining down right here, then you can also see the sun from a different angle. So that disproves your theory. But let me go on to this experiment, which is how would a flat earth work? Because a flat earth can't really work. It just can't work. So let me show you an example. Okay, so as you can see right here, there is a flat earth looking thing and there is the sun. Now, let's say the sun goes through half like this and like that's how you think it would work. But if it goes through like that, then how would another day work? Because then if you wanted to go in the same direction, which it goes every single day, then it would have to make a 360. But if it made a 360, then you would understand that it will be total darkness in the world, so time zones would not work the exact same way. They just can't. So your theory is just disproven. And there's something else that also easily disproves your theory, which is proving that the earth is actually spinning. Because if the earth was actually spinning, then it would make, I guess, a little bit more sense. But then the sun will be a spotlight, which you can see from every direction. Because let's say the earth were to be flat and the sun was right here. All the sun rays would go right here. But if you're right here, you can still see the sun. It's not darkness from the other side of the world. So even if the earth was spinning, that won't work. So I'll teach you a really easy experiment that you could do to prove that the earth is spinning. So let's go on to our first experiment, which is figuring out how the earth is actually spinning. Now, to figure out if the earth is actually spinning, all you need is a chair. Put a tripod on the chair, put a piece of string on that, and see how it moves. And you can clearly tell that it's spinning. And if your brain doesn't understand how that works, then you could also do a really easy thing, which is just thinking. So you don't feel like you're actually spinning. Then you could say the same thing about a car. When I'm on a car, if there is no bumps on the road and there was no car noise, I won't feel like I'm moving on the car. So we definitely are moving. So your theory just got proven wrong. So many times, it just keeps on getting proven wrong, and I don't know what you're saying. Now, that experiment right there was actually proven in Paris, France in 1851, and they found out that the earth was actually spinning. And if you wanted to prove for yourself that the earth is spinning, then you could do this exact same experiment and you can follow this article step by step to see that the earth is actually spinning. And also you could just print out a flat earth thingy and you could just rotate a sun around like I did. So your theory is proven another time wrong. Time zones would not work the exact same way. Nothing would work literally the same. It just won't. So the earth is not flat. But in the last video, there was a comment saying that I should put water on a ball and see how it sticks. Well, that comment forgot something very big, which is how gravity works. Gravity is keeping the water in there, and there's an atmosphere, so like it just doesn't evaporate. So there's an atmosphere, and that's how the water is like that. People don't understand, like, water could curve. Water could literally curve. And also, how would, like, if something fall down, I don't really care how what you say, because like what you say is most likely just like the explanation of gravity, but it's literally probably the explanation of gravity. But anyways, that's basically the end of this video of destroying these flat earthers by doing simple science experiment. Now, I was going to do another experiment, but as you might or might not have heard in the video, it's currently raining. So the final experiment that I was gonna do, which I was also trying to do in the last experiment, was flying a drone up and seeing if the Earth looked flat, and I couldn't do that, so I just cut that part of the video out. And I also can't do it in this video because like it's raining. It's literally raining. Why does it have to be raining today? But I would suggest you buy a drone and fly it up. And also, if you want more proof, buy like a telescope and see Mars for yourself, and you'll understand that it will be so complicated to CGI the sky like that good. So complicated, like your little brain can't understand. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully you have, if you're a flat earther, hopefully you have changed to the round earth perspective, the ball earth perspective. I really hope you guys changed to that perspective. But thanks for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I said that like 3 times already, and now I'm about to say it for a 4th time because I just keep on getting off track. But thanks for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to click on these 2 videos and hit this coffee mug to subscribe to my channel. I don't know where the subscribe button is, but you'll see because it's on screen, like obviously. But until next time, I'm Logical Shri.